In this video, I'm going to try to attempt to show you how to check polarity on a circuit. This is a older slide out that's been worked on another shop, and when I got it, it was a pretty big mess. Pins were sheared, gears were broken, bushings were missing. So I wanted to be able to utilize my wireless tool to be able to realign the holes in the gears and in the shaft. Just makes it a lot easier. You can see this. I have another video I'll link in the description of how this circuit works. And as I was looking at it, most of the times they change the state of the relays with a positive signal, but on this one it's a negative signal. I'm glad I checked before I hooked up my tool. So you can see the orange and white wire go out to the motor, and the negative is in the center on both of them, and then the positive in is at the bottom. So you're only changing state of one of the relays to make this thing go in and out. So I wanted to see if I had voltage there. This will help me determine what's going on when you hit the switch. So you can see we have 12 volts there. So this is where the coil is energized from the red and these white wires with the tracers. So typically, most circuits, they energize it with the positive wire. So the negative would already be there, and then when you turn your switch, then it would apply power to the other side. And I don't know what made me think of it on this one, but I thought, why am I assuming this is a positive triggered relay circuit? And so I checked it, and it wasn't. It was a negative. So this here is showing the diagram for where the coils are. So one way to determine this is if you put your black meter lead at the black wire and then your red meter lead at the red wire, and if you read power there, that means the red side is energized all the time. It always has power there, and that would tell you that it's a negative switched circuit. Now we'll just do the reverse. We'll put the red wire from the meter to the red wire, and then the black wire to one of these spots here I'm showing on the arrows, and you shouldn't get any voltage. And when you depress the button, you get voltage, you know you have a negative triggered relay. So that's important for me in this situation because of the way my tool works. I'll put a link in the description for a video on this tool I'm describing. So with the red meter lead connected to the wire that's coming from the switch, when I depress the button, I got negative polarity. And that's how I knew it was a negative triggered switch. So here I've got the black wire on the switch, the other lead going to a positive, and then I have proper polarity. So that's how I figured out the right polarity for that circuit and was able to fix that slide out using that tool. That tool made it a lot easier. So check out the other videos in the description, and thanks for watching.